Hey guys, what's up and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to hack Subway Surfers. So first, if you already have the app, deinstall it. You gotta deinstall it, and after that you go in Google and type in When Games Subway Surfers. And you go on the first one, or which one you want. When you're here, you click on the blue download box. Doesn't work. I'm gonna come back when it will work. So after after you clicked on it, and when you're here, if you wanna download the cage, you don't need it. You click on this one, and it will automatically install it. And then when it's done, you click on it. I'll have it. And when you're here, click on the right. Buy everything, but I don't really buy everything, only the power-ups. And when you get started, you just make the tutorial, and it's loading. Yeah. So after you're done, the tutorial, you go to yourself, and you see you have 900. So you will see you will have unlimited coins and keys, and yeah. And if you go to top one, I worked so hard to be on top diamond, and to show you that it's true, I'm gonna show you. So got it. So when you're dead, you will see you have stuff. I'm gonna pay 1, and now I'm gonna die again. See, it's easy. I pay 2, and if I die now again, I'll still have them. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. Hope you liked my video. Like, subscribe, and comment below which games I shall show you how to hack them. And